Now I'm going to revisit this. Now I only just did a video on this one, and the old premise behind it was just a quick fix to see if we could get it working. Now it showed up in a very non-working poor state, and I just wanted to see if we could get it working. However, some people have said that my fix was a bit of a bodge and I should have done it better then. Now, I got 2 points of view on that. First off, yes, I agree. 100%, I could have done it better. And B, or number 2 point is, that wire's come off, see. It was never worth really getting involved with. That's why I did a quick fix on it. But since that we are in a position where people wanted to see it done better, let's do it better. There, right. So that's the wires off. Right. This is what I've done. So I just need to get this back on. Was that the way it went? Yeah. I can always glue that in place then, see. So blue, yellow, bay. So this bit, get them out. That's the other side. Get them out the way. So blue's first, then yellow. So blue is B10, which is this one. Nice, happy with that. The only one left now is this one. So what I think I'm going to do is scratch a bit more of these tracks away. Dab a clear, my new clear flux, which I absolutely friggin' love. Bring this back on there. Let's douse this. What I'm going to do, it's fiddly. Cut it in half. So I've got this very thin track here. I'll plop that on there. Like that. I'm going to hold it down and hopefully it'll take. And by Jove, I think it has. So what I can do now is attach the purple to there. Like that. Now that'll run to the ground into the chip. So, moment of truth. Let's see where we are. It's a bit worse for wear, that one's a bit worse for wear, isn't it? Now if that's worked, I'll glue it down. So, let's go and test it. And maybe I've appeased some people. Right, in order for me to test this, because I haven't got a laptop that will take a USB-C directly, I've got my mouse and I've got my daughter's phone. Now the idea is here, I'm going to plug the unit into the phone and then plug that cable from the hub that I've just fixed into the mouse. Now if the mouse starts charging, I know the hub is working. So use the lead to show it's all the same lead. Now if it starts charging, the light on the front of the mouse, get it into picture now, there it is. The light on the mouse will shine blue, will light up blue. So let's put it in and the phone should recognise that something's being put in the back of it. Ah, there he is! Get in there! He's working! Haha! So, hopefully now that'll appease a few people saying that I've done it right. But like I've said in the past, I'm no expert. I'm just your average Joe having a go. Hey, that's a logo, isn't it? I might keep that one. But until next time, ta-ra!